and welcome back to Akshita's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's recipe is another Goan delight, which is Alsande, or also called Chawli Tonak. So we're going to make this with this Chawli Bhaji. Now I've also uploaded a similar recipe which you can make with white vatanas. So go and check that out too. I'll leave a link below. So this is very simple and easy to make. Now normally people always soak their chawli and then after that they boil it in the cooker and everything. So it's a pretty long process and you have to wait say for some few hours till the chawli is nice and soaked. But I'm going to show you a very quick and instant method of cooking chawli where your chawli is going to be ready in less than 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I learned this from my mother-in-law and I've been using it for the past so many years and it's never failed. So you're going to learn something new. For all of you who don't know how to cook chawli instantly, watch this video. And let's go to my kitchen and get started with today's recipe. So to cook your chawli or black-eyed beans instantly, I'm going to take about 1 cup of them in my pressure pan and I'm going to roast them for at least 5 minutes. Then I'm going to just rinse them thrice under running water. And then I'm just going to add about 1.5 cups of water to the pressure pan and I'm going to cook it on 1 whistle on high and simmer for 15 minutes. And then once the cooker is cool, you can see that your chawli is already nice and cooked. So this is the fastest way to cook it. Now we have all these spices and like red chilies, then some fresh coconut, some coriander seeds, garlic, peppercorns, a little bit of turmeric powder, then there's fennel seeds or soft, some cloves, mace, cinnamon. This is 1 onion chopped fine and 1 onion sliced, 1 small tomato, some fresh coriander leaves. So I've just soaked in some water to which salt has been added. Now all these ingredients along with their correct measurements will be in the description box below, so you can go there and see everything. Now I'm just taking about a tablespoon of oil in my pan, and once the oil is hot, I'm going to add in my 4 cloves of garlic, my 1 onion which I've sliced, about 10 dried red chilies. Then I'm going to add my fresh coconut. And we're going to fry all this really well till we get the aroma of the coconut and the onions and the garlic and everything is nice and fried. This is a very important step, that you fry everything very, very well. Now you can also make this masala paste and store it in your refrigerator and in a little larger quantity, and whenever you feel like making this tonak, you can make it. Now I'm just going to add all my whole spices like my fennel seeds, then the coriander seeds, the cloves, the cinnamon, the peppercorns, a little haldi powder or turmeric powder, and I'm going to fry that too in the oil, and then I'm going to mix everything well together and fry everything well together. And then we're just going to let this cool to room temperature, and then we're going to grind this to a very, very fine paste. So remember that the mixture has to cool completely. Don't put a very hot mixture into your mixer pot. And then we're just going to add a little bit of water, say about 1/4 cup of water, and we're going to grind this to a very smooth paste. Now you get this lovely orange color paste. And then also clean out your mixer for the reserve water. So just add some water, and we're going to use this water too for our recipe. So none of that lovely masala water goes to waste. And then we're just going to add about 1/2 tablespoon of oil to the same pan, and we're going to fry 1 onion which has been diced. Fry it well. Then we're going to add our small tomato. Let this fry well too. Then we're going to add our masala paste. And we're going to mix everything well together. Let this fry again well till you have some of the masala oil coming to the surface. So this should take you about 3 to 4 minutes to fry the masala well. This is also very important. And now we're going to add some salt to taste. Now I have another Chawli recipe also, which is pretty simple. I'll leave a link below so you can see that recipe too if you want to make that recipe. And now we're just going to add the masala water and add a little more water because we want a little thinner gravy, not a very thick gravy. Or you can add as much as you want. If you like it on the thicker side, then add just little water. If you want a little more, with little more gravy, then add a little more water. And then just give everything a mix. And then just add a little bit of chopped coriander leaves. And then we're just going to cover it and cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes on a very low flame. And that's it, friends. Such a simple recipe, yet so delicious. Give it a try, guys. So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video and the recipe, and I hope you're going to give it a try. And I'm sure you must be really happy of learning how to cook chawli instantly. Do share my recipes with family and friends. And if you like today's video, then please don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. I do need those thumbs ups and I do need more subscribers. So do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button. It's completely free. And once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will show up. Click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe, which I do almost daily, you will get a message for the same. Also, friends, if you want to if you're looking out for any particular recipe, since I've got more than 500 recipes, when you go to the YouTube app, in the search button, type the recipe and immediately type Akshita's recipes, and my recipe will pop up first. For example, if you're looking for the Goan bath cake, type Goan bath cake Akshita's recipes and my recipe will come up first. So that's the way to find me on YouTube. And I'm very active on Facebook as well as on Instagram, and I have my own blog. All links are down in the description box below, as well as all my recipes. Whenever I put up a new recipe, if you look in the description box below, you have all the ingredients with all the measurements, the method and everything. And also at the end of the video, you will see 4 screens coming up with different recipes. So you just have to click on that screen and it will take you to my recipe directly. Also in the middle of the video, you will see something popping up in the middle, like a particular recipe. If you click on that, you will go to that recipe. So these are just little bit of hints as to how you can find different recipes on my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel and for watching my videos and for all your lovely comments and being so supportive. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. I'll be signing off, but before that I'd like to say stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. See you guys.